Okay, Ring the Dale.
This song called the title Ring the Dale. This is a tune we just took up learning last year. We went first into the band. We're very, very privileged, and as you can see here, a lot of young members here. And this is maybe only about 2/3 of the band have done it. And we also got to give a lot of credit and a lot of thanks to our good brother Alan Pearson here, as I call him, the Twin Curries, Debbie and Tracy. And there's 3 other band, there's 6 in all that help us out throughout the year at set days. It can't be a 12th of July or Mary Stockman will be offended. But usually like 12th of August in Londonderry, these folk come along and help us, and we've been grateful. We're so grateful we even got them their own uniforms here. They don't have to come and in their uniform, we've got them uniforms on it. And they've been a big help to us at both at concerts and at band plays, and really, I'd like to just have the man just give them a good round of applause to the So see, this tune here belongs to the Ballyrashane band, and we picked up a lot of the tunes that Curran play. You probably can hear there. The pipers here, amongst us here, all know a lot of the tunes. Are old Scottish 6/8 marching tunes, and we're very proud of the fact that the band does still retain these. These are the tunes we were playing for the first old band way back all those years ago, so I'll tell you about later. And this one here is one called Over the Garden Wall. And I don't know the history, but I'm sure it's probably a rise back to Scotland as well. But I know you'll enjoy this here. It's a good catchy wee tune.
Will you know go back?
I'll go back.
Maybe not want to go back yet.
As I look through the press, I see many faces that I know here from around here, about here. But there's a face in the front here, Bertie Pitts, originally from here. And that man there is never too far away in the last Saturday of August. It's actually him who stirs up the band there to get them playing tunes there. And it's nice to see Bertie and his wife and Steve along here. I thought you'd be here somewhere, Bertie. I knew there's a front seat you were there. But no, there's a lot of, last Saturday of August especially, on the 12th too, we would have a bit of a tune-up, a warm-up before we leave the field. And there's always a lot of the brethren here always gather around, and it's always nice to be able to provide a bit of entertainment. Only thing is, I think nowadays I have to have a word with our brother Kenny here. Sometimes I think they leave the field too early. Rush out, there should be a wee bit more time spent, I think, for a wee bit of more get together. You're only starting to get warmed up now, we've got to leave. But maybe it's where held down to the time that you know. It's always nice to be able to spend that time. We're going to go for what like that? Will you come back again? Will you come back again? Okay. Will you come back again? A good old Scottish tune again, written away at the time of Murray here down at Bonnie Prince Charlie. I think it's also known Bonnie. It's not known as Bonnie Charlie, where Prince Charlie was crossing over the Sky, and this is called Will You Come Back Again.